Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to download Sony Vegas Pro on your computer for free. Yeah, I know this is a paid program, but I'm gonna show you how to download it for free without any like surveys, without any like entering mobile phones or anything that would cost you. So basically free. So what you need to do, you need to go to your browser. It can be any browser, but I recommend Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And what you want to type in here is you want to go to the link I have in the description. I have it here. I will have this link here in the description. It will take you to this BitTorrent, this torrent site, and yes, this works with a torrent. Now if you don't have a torrent client, which either uTorrent or BitTorrent, I'm gonna show you how to download it. I've got BitTorrent here, as you can see. I have BitTorrent. If you want uTorrent, you just type in uTorrent. Oh, sorry, I didn't type it. Anyway, yeah, uTorrent, and it will pop up here, the first link. Click on it, and you want to go to get torrent for Windows. Click on, and now scroll down, click on get torrent for Windows, and it should start downloading. Now I'm not going to download it, and again, if you want to download BitTorrent, you go through the same process. BitTorrent. And you can either click download or just go to this link, to the first link. I'll always click on download BitTorrent and click free download, and it should just download. I'm not gonna download it again because I have, as I showed you already, downloaded here BitTorrent. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to this link after you have installed BitTorrent. Come to this link and click this magnet URL which says get this torrent, and click open magnet URL. Once you get to that, I already have it, so I'm not going to actually do it again because I have already downloaded it, so no. And as you can see, it's right over here, Sony Vegas Pro 11. Wait a moment, we don't need this anymore. Yeah, so for you, when you put it here, when you say open magnet URL, it will actually start downloading it. Just some tips, just 2 tips to make it faster. You're gonna go, once it starts downloading, click on force start, and you're also gonna go to bandwidth allocation, make sure it's high, because by default it's gonna be normal. This will make your download a bit higher, but it also like at 80-85%, it depends on your internet connection and speed, and not that much on the app and on the settings you do. So what you want to do after it's installed, you want to run it, and you can close BitTorrent. Now in this folder you will see a keygen.exe, the Sony Vegas Pro patch, a tutorial which we won't need, and the Vegas Pro 11 32-bit. So when you want to run this Vegas Pro 11 32-bit, which is the setup for the Sony Vegas Pro to install, but there is actually a problem, because this is not gonna be the only thing you have to do in order to use Sony Vegas Pro. It's not gonna be the only thing, because you will need to do the patch and some keys and everything. I'll run you through a tutorial. So you wanna choose your language, click next, click that you have read it, and click next. Choose where you want to put it. I just want to put it there into program file Sony Vegas Pro. Just click, if you want, you can create a desktop shortcut and click install. Now this shouldn't take long, so we're just gonna give it a bit of time. It's gonna take like a maximum 1 minute to install. It shouldn't take 1 minute, but it won't take a long time. So we're just gonna wait for it. I'm really sorry that that you have to actually wait for it, but I really can't do anything about it. So yeah, we're just gonna wait a bit. It's almost done. Just give it a bit of time. Shouldn't take much. And it just popped up on the desktop, so right there. Wait, oh, no, okay. So it says it's successfully installed. Now, if you open this, and you click next, the app you just installed, you open it and click next, it will ask you for a serial number, or you can run the trial version. Now I'm going to show you how to get the full version. I didn't mention that, the full version, how to get the serial number. So you want to close this and click yes, just close it. Now open the Sony Vegas Pro patch. Now what you want to do here, it looks a bit complicated and non-user friendly, but don't worry, I'm going to show you what you need to do. You need to click this film icon, and you need to find where you have installed this Sony Vegas Pro. I have installed it on C, program files, Sony Vegas Pro 11. I don't know where you installed it, but find that directory. Then what you want to click is the plus button. Then you want to click the film again and locate your Sony Vegas Pro directory again. Then you want to once you've done it again, you want to click crack me, and you see this little bar. You want to wait for this little bar to actually fill up. It shouldn't take a lot of time. Just wait for it. Just give it a bit of time. Alright. It's almost done. Okay, so it's done. Once it's done, all you gotta do is just close it. Just click this button and close it. Now, you're almost done, but not yet. What you want to do is run the keygen.exe that's on the directory of your downloads, and click on continue. Now this little window should come up, and yeah. What you want to do here, what you want to do here is you actually don't need this anymore. You don't need any of this anymore, so you just close that. You have here, you want to go to the product name, and you want to choose, you want to find Vegas Pro 9.0 32 and 64-bit series. Now next you want to click on generate, and you will get a machine ID, a serial number, and an activation authentication code. What you want to do is you want to open the Sony Vegas Pro app, click on next, click on yes, and it will bring up this window. You want to go ahead and you want to take the serial number and copy it. Now right click here on this box and click paste. Now what you want to do is not just click paste and then next. You want to go ahead and erase this HF or whatever number, because it's not going to be the same here, and you want to replace it with T4, because as it says here, your serial number will look like 1T4 and ours ain't T4 here. So you want to delete whatever it is after 1 and make it T4. That's really important. If you don't do this, it's not going to work, so you want to make sure you do this. And then you want to click next. Now it's going to tell you to register and everything, so you want to click next. It's going to ask you all those things. I'm just going to put random things in, but I'm going to put my email in. This is just a random email I use in apps that I actually don't want. It's not anything. Choose your country or region. Here I'm just gonna put I'm just gonna put England, company, whatever. I'll put just Sony here because my PC is Sony, so I put Sony and everything anyways. Address, like, I don't know, just like a random one. It doesn't matter. We'll do like New York 29, whatever. And our second address will be like whatever, like, it doesn't actually matter. England, 45. I'm just putting any random things. City, we'll put New York. State, province, and then we'll just put New York here. Where is it? Wait, there we go. New York, and just put a random. I'll just put this postal code in. No, not that one. That one in. I don't know, like a random thing. Just click this second box if you would like to receive information in your email. Click the second one, the first one as well, but I don't want, so just second one and finish. Now it's gonna now it's gonna be here. Okay, so I have an error. I have a network error here, but it's actually no problem because you don't need to actually register it. Now after you register, because I don't know what happened to me right now, but it does work, so don't worry, it will work. It will register for you. Maybe it's because I put random things, but anyways, make sure you haven't closed this, but if you have, it's okay. You can just still open it and choose Vegas Pro and click generate again. Now here we'll ask you for another code, which is the authentication code, and we actually have this here. So what we want to do is come from the beginning and copy it and just choose it all and copy it again. Come here, paste it, and click finish. Once you do that, it should come up with this window, which is setting up your Sony Vegas Pro app. Just wait for it. And you don't need this anymore, so you can exit that. And once you've done that, you're actually into the Sony Vegas Pro app, as you can see here. And you can actually fully use this app normally. Now, if you're not a YouTuber, or if you don't know how to use this app, it will seem to you kind of non-user friendly and hard to use, but trust me, if you know how to use it, it's actually the most amazing app you can ever use. Thank you guys for watching. This was the tutorial for today. I really hope you enjoyed and that I helped you with this tutorial. It really helped me, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So yeah, if you liked it and I helped you, make sure to drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing some more tutorials in the future. So thank you guys for watching. As I said, leave a like. If you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and if you have any problems also, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you, and I'll see you guys next time.